If you're a Wawonian from Wawa, Ontario, and you lost $20, I found it on the way to church today. I wanted to give you a few ideas for what to cook on the road when you don't cook or when you're injured like I am. Last night, I had another little incident. A few nights ago, someone had gotten into my van in the middle of the night. There was no problem with that. Last night, I heard just a little couple of taps and I leapt over, somehow got tangled up in my blankets and I fell. Check that out. Ow. My ribs as well. And then I popped up and there was nobody around. The 3 layers to this video. Number 1 is what to cook when you don't want to cook in a van or at home. Number 2, visit to the Thunder Bay Farmers Market. There's ideas there on what to cook when you don't want to cook. And the 3rd layer is something that I learned about talking to people at the farmers market. Number 1, my favorite stuff to not cook. My favorite type of meal is a tapas type. So I love putting a whole bunch of different things together. Beans, some hummus, some yogurt. Where's my salsa? Oh yeah, and wine, but I don't usually add that to my tapas. I'm scooping it up with crackers, different types of crackers. That's powdered milk. I add powdered milk to my quick oats in the morning with my yogurt. Oh, that bagged salads and bagged already fresh cut fruit and of course pre-made salads. There's this Flash Foods app. You can get all of this for half price. It's the Flash Foods app. When it shows the little green circle with the shopping cart, click it. And this stuff is all half price. Creamy brie cheese, chicken parmesan, lean ground pork, ground chicken, butter chicken cooking sauce, yogurt, mango juice, coconut cream cheese. Wow, they've got a lot. Berry scones, stevia, coffee cake, berry zinger herbal tea, ice cream. This is the first time that I've seen ice cream on Flash Foods, so that's kind of cool. You want the tea, add 1 to cart. I've already loaded up my credit cards. Just go to the No Frills or the Superstore, go to the front and it says Flash Foods. Ask for your thing, they ask for your name, take it and leave. Not only do I save money on fresh food, I also try things that I wouldn't normally try, like the Cobb salad. This is something that's new to me, is pickled eggs. I used to boil a bunch of eggs, peel them and freeze them and then eat them on the road. They kind of stunk up the fridge. So I started buying eggs in a plastic bag, but again, they stunk up the fridge. If you like pickles, you'll like pickled eggs. For me, more important is getting the nutrition that's in eggs and kind of getting a variety of food. The other thing I want to try is that pumpkin puree. It's a $5 tin that I got for $1 because of Flash Foods. And I've tried to feed it to my dogs in the past because evidently it's really good fiber. And also pumpkin is very healthy for you. Dogs hated it. So I added a bit to my soups and my salsa, and I really liked it. When I saw this was on for $1, that huge thing of pumpkin, I thought that's perfect. I can add it to a tapas meal. The other thing I love is these rice puddings. They're little individual sizes, only 90 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, not too heavy, and they're really good. And healthy, lots of calcium. Now, the farmer's market.
I'm gonna know Chevy back in a minute. Bought a boat and a sailed out with it. Don't think anybody gonna miss me anyway.
Hi, my name's Tammy Cyber. I own the little pie shop. Has nice cream pies, tiramisu today.
What's your favorite?
Coconut cream. I think coconut cream. Those are the soups.
Pierogi soup? What's in it?
Pierogi soup. It's all nice and creamy with whipping cream and real pierogies all at the bottom.
Hello.
What do you have?
We have the Thai food.
Oh!
Food from Burma. Yeah, Pad Thai, chicken fried noodles.
Do you make it yourself?
No, this is from my sister's restaurant.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah,
Is that it?
Selby Restaurant.
So my name's Barry Tabor. I'm the owner of Bears, Bees, and Honey, where we produce local wildflower, blueberry blossom, north of Superior and north of Lake Nipigon honey.
Which one is your favorite?
Love them all. However, my favorite is the buckwheat. This one right here.
My name is Shauna Deagle. This is Sapling. We do fresh baked artisan breads, pita chips, dips, some dressings as well, and some pastries. My favorite is the power loaf. So on the outside, it's kind of almost like an everything bagel, and inside it has like quinoa, grains, local flour. So pretty much like kitchen sink kind of bread, but yeah, it's wonderful.
Morning, Mike Visser here from My Pride Farm. I raise ethically raised veal and sell it to the Thunder Bay Country
That's everything
Market.
for you? All right.
Sure, hello. We have Gouda cheese here, all different flavors and different ages. Yeah, we make it all ourselves. We actually milk the cows and make the cheese. We do it all.
My name's Mallory. I'm an employee here at the Metropolitan Moose. We're a locally owned cafe. We do our own baking and drinks and sandwiches.
What's your favorite?
My favorite is probably my own creation, a caramel macchiato that we do at our main location in the village. And I'm really proud of it. It's really good.
Set me back in a minute. Bought a boat and I sailed out with it. Don't think anybody gonna miss me anyway. I'm on a permanent vacation. The ocean is my only vacation. Wishing I could.
When I went to that farmer's market in Thunder Bay, I was so nervous and scared about asking people if I could film their setup and ask them questions. And I don't know why. Part of it is because on my blogs, I've been blogging for 12 years, very rarely people have come back to me and said, I wrote a comment on your blog and can you erase it because now my ex-husband or for some reason, some personal reason, they no longer want that comment on my blog. You can never really erase comment or anything from the internet. It's like taking pee out of a swimming pool. Once it's out there, even if I erase it from mine, it's still out there. With the YouTube video thing, I feel kind of hesitant about putting people on my YouTube channel because, I don't know, I feel like if they change their mind, even if they've given permission, then that sucks. I was scared of approaching people to interview them because of stuff that I was thinking and believing about my past. I got in trouble for asking people too many questions or being a troublemaker. So I do feel, I think, a little hesitant to say to someone, hey, can I film you for my YouTube video? The second thing is I worry what people are going to think. They're going to look at my YouTube channel and be like, I don't want to be part of that. So I'm scared of what people think. All of it comes down to what I think and believe. Instead of being in the moment and just being like, wow, look at this cool bee honey, or she makes pierogi soup, or this is a really cool different type of beer. So instead of being free and present and playful and curious in the moment, I was constricted, afraid, and worried about what people would think. And the other thing that happened at the Thunder Bay Farmers Market was people were nervous about being on the video. So when I asked them, they're like, I don't know what to say, or I'm not sure. And they felt really nervous about it. And that relaxed me because it made them more human. And so they didn't seem like strong, tough, no, you can't interview me. What kind of a YouTube channel person are you? And I realized from that they're just as nervous as I am. And they're just as caught up in their thoughts and beliefs about what's happening as I am. We're really all in this together. It just made me feel more comfortable and less shy, and I'm really thankful that those farmers market people in Thunder Bay talked to me. And only one guy didn't. He was an older guy and he's like, no, I don't go in for that kind of stuff. Later I was thinking, you don't go in for what, like free advertising? This is good. If I had actually been in the moment, present and clear about what I was doing, I may have said something like that to him. Like, it's just free advertising. You don't have to do anything. You just have to tell me what you're selling. But he was caught up in his thoughts and belief. I was caught up in my thoughts and beliefs. And so I just sort of walked away and missed the opportunity to give him some exposure. So that's my 3-layer video. I hope you take better care of yourself than I've been doing. Check that out. Mwah.